Hey, did you notice that in Teams you have new components that are connected to Copilot? They're called agents, Copilot agents, and you can find them then by typing Microsoft Coach. And Microsoft published several coach, a prompt coach, a learning coach, a career coach, a writing coach, an ID coach. So I'm gonna install, let's say, the prompt coach. So pretty simple, use add. Okay, maybe I should read what it says. I'm gonna add them. Doesn't say much here. Let's add it. I'll add them all. Curious about the coach. I already added this one. The ID coach. Okay, I think I knocked them all. So it told me, look in Copilot. So I'm gonna go in Copilot, and now I have all my coaches here. I don't have the one is missing apparently, the career coach, but let's try. Oh, there was a prompt coach. There's a prompt coach I wanted. So let's go back. So to apps, I want the prompt coach for sure. So let's do that again. Let's search for coach, prompt coach. I'm gonna say open here. Or maybe it didn't go all the way. So I'm unboxing it. So maybe I should add this one. Maybe that was an old one. So let's add the other one. Let's see. I'm gonna add, and this time I'm gonna open it just to be sure I have it. Maybe I have to do open every time. So now I have the prompt coach. Yeah. So maybe you need to try several times and add it again. So now I have the prompt coach, and you select it and prompt generation. So you have examples here. Help me generate a prompt to use in Copilot. Analyze my prompt and provide feedback on how I could improve it. If my prompt is compliant and following the responsibility guidelines. Pretty good insights. So basically, it's like in ChatGPT, it's agents. I don't know what it's called in ChatGPT, but it's pre-canned prompt um, with a context. So what helped me generate a prompt to be used by Copilot? So let's see how it works. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with goal. So I need to set the goal, context, source, expectations. Okay. Once I have this info, I can help you draft a well-structured, effective code. So let's see. What can I ask? Um, let's make a vague assumption. Um, what is our PTO policy? So I'm not sure if it's going to give me feedback on my prompt here. No, it doesn't. So I'm not sure if it's just a pre-canned message here. It's not. It doesn't come with a user guide. Let's ask that. Because obviously that's just having pre-canned prompt that I could have typed, but okay, it's handy, but I would like to go further than that for sure. Let's start a new one. Thought it will give me some feedback on my prompt. So analyze my prompt and provide feedback on how I could improve it. Uh, what is our PTO policy? So let's see if it gives me feedback. Okay, so it says clarity. The prompt is clear. Context. The prompt lacks context, that's for sure. Source. The prompt doesn't mention. expectation, the prompt doesn't clarify. So, okay. So, from what I understand so far, the prompt coach, at least, is just having pre-canned examples here that can help people to learn how to prompt. Okay, it's a good thing. Learning coach, what is that? Learn about topic. Please help me. So same thing, prompt pre-canned prompts that help you to learn a topic, learn a new language, practice a skill. And so it gives you a pre-canned prompt here that I could have written, but maybe it helps to ramp up some population on the first usage of Copilot. But as you can see, what's interesting here is that you're going to see more and more Copilot agents, and you can probably do uh, more things than just a pre-canned set of prompts that can be used by the users. For example, you can scope the Copilot agents to just look in a folder in SharePoint and just do some sort of analysis in this folder. So that's the first step, I guess. Microsoft released that pre-canned prompts segmented by type of, I don't know how to qualify that, but depending on what you want to achieve, writing coach, where it can give you pre-canned examples. It's a way to have some sort of, let's say, the Copilot lab embedded in 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 your Copilot with some examples. That's my guess so far. If I find out more, I'll let you know. But yeah, it's interesting to see all those new agents coming.